Welcome to Vlogmas.
Yay!
Yay!
It's our first day of Vlogmas ever.
Today, we're going to build one of these. So I'm super excited to share this DIY with you. I think this is like one of the best DIYs we've ever done. It's one of my favorite. We did this one last year. It's a big version of what we're going to do today. We used a little bit different materials. I think this one's a lot easier, and it's also, we're going to do a smaller version.
Yeah.
So,
but it's great. Cactus Christmas tree, great alternative to a regular Christmas tree, especially for people who can't have like a real one, or maybe you're just tired of decorating a regular Christmas tree and you want something festive, more festive. So I'm going to make a list below of how you need to cut your PVC pipe. You'll need a miter saw to do that, a chop saw, or you could buy the cutting tool for this little PVC pipe. It's like $10 at Home Depot or wherever you go. So you'll need to make a lot of cuts. I'm not going to tell you what those are right now, but I will tell you that you're going to need 2 elbows and 2 T-fittings in addition to your PVC pipe. And we just bought like the really long piece for like $3 or $4 at Home Depot and cut it up. So
it's like an 8-foot piece.
Yeah, it's really long, so you could do multiples. So yeah, we have all the things already cut here, and we're just gonna go ahead and assemble them. And we're using just a pot to put it in, and then we're gonna put rocks in here to stabilize the cactus.
I would also like to say that you are going to see in a few minutes that there will be working on 2 different cactuses.
Yes.
We've actually already filmed this intro once. We were both working on a cactus, and that video footage magically disappeared.
Magically.
So right now we just have enough stuff for 1, but soon you will see us working on 2.
Yeah.
So.
And you'll see that we're gonna do 2 different sizes, different ways. So you'll see that. But for now, you'll also need some tinsel, or what is this, garland. And I think I used 3 of these, or did you use 3? She used 2 for
that.
This,
had a
smaller one, and then I used 3 of these. And then you'll also need some lights, some Christmas lights. You could use a regular strand of Christmas lights with the green wire, or even just wire lights. Like I think the
copper lights are easier. Savannah did like the regular ones, which you'll see. She did the regular ones, and then I used the copper lights, and it just took me way less time to wrap mine around. But.
Yeah, it just depends on what you're going for.
Basically, the core things that you need are the pipe and the tinsel and a pot.
And the rocks to stabilize it.
And you can put anything in there. You could put it in anything, you know.
Yeah, any vessel you want. It's up to you. This is just what we have. So let's go ahead and assemble this really quickly.
So this is what it looks like. You know, you can see the cactusness there.
Yeah, sorry.
And now...
Yeah, so we're just going to take some rocks, like put this right in the center of your vessel and pour rocks in here to stabilize it. Okay, so we have all our rocks in here. These are pretty secure. There are other things you could do to make it even more secure if you want, but just don't carry it, don't grab it here to try to carry it. Carry the pot. The next thing we're gonna do is put lights on it. So you're gonna need garland. That's what we're gonna wrap this with.
On this one we did last year, we did, like the natural green garland.
We did green garland, yeah, green Christmas garland.
Use.
But I'm gonna put my lights on first because I have these lights that are green, and I don't want to see the green wrapped around. But Casey's gonna use these wire lights, so she can put these on last. But first, I'm gonna make sure that these work.
Getting an arm workout.
I'm just gonna be here for 25 years doing this. Oh yeah, make sure that your plug is at the bottom so you can hide that and not
rotate.
Casey the other day was trying to buy a Christmas record. And the way she was judging what she was going to get was dependent on if they sang
Oh Holy Night.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's astonishing at how many people don't sing Oh Holy Night on their Christmas albums. Like, I actually had a hard time. Our girl Mariah does, so that's what I ended up ordering. Celine Dion does too. But I was looking at her album.
Oh, I thought you said she didn't.
Oh, she
Oh,
does.
you just were like, it's not fun.
Right, that's where the story is going. Was like, I was looking at her album, and while Oh Holy Night is, a very serious Christmas song, I like a mix. I like, seriousness of Oh Holy Night because it's the most beautiful song ever. And I also want Jingle Bell Rock, you know what I'm saying? So Celine's was very all Oh Holy Night.
Lots of Oh Holy Night. Side note, this actually kind of looks like a prickly cactus with the legs sticking out.
Right.
But it is covering up the green, so that's good. The only problem with this is that if your lights go out, then that would suck. Because you would have to undo it all to replace it.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did this one. Really,
The edge or
the little end part. So just cut a little piece of garland, and then I just wrapped it around my fingers like this, just so like a little ball. And then you don't want to do too much, but I just shoved it in the little pipe ending over there. You see?
How much did you do? If I can send you.
Not very much. You don't want to do too much. You'll need to do more than I do because your holes are bigger.
Y'all can't see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and I have our hot glue gun warming up. I'm gonna, on the elbows it's kind of hard, it slides around, so I'm gonna put some glue so it all stays in the same place, and then glue the top of mine here, and her elbow's naked right here, so
Naked.
that's what we use the glue for. We have one glue stick left, so
I think it's already kicking. So I have like the what are they called?
wire light.
The wire light, copper light things.
Yeah. So those you can put on afterward. Let me look what this looks like without. What do you think? You think I should just leave it without, like, take these off?
Yeah, I kind of hate them.
Casey hates it.
I just feel like it needs to be multicolored. Let's have.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, we're gonna use these little balls.
Some of us didn't need to use the hot glue gun. Some of us did. So just leave it like that.
Oh, how cute is yours?
Usually this is the other way around. Usually Savannah succeeds. And I'm saying, oh, how cute is yours?
Just wait.
Sometimes I win.
This is not a competition.
Nobody's
Everybody calm down.
competing. But except me.
Oh my god, it is so cold outside. Hello, Hazel.
This is a Hazel-sized Christmas tree.
Yeah, this is your Christmas tree, Hazel. This one's Daisy's.
Hang on.
Or Wit's.
No, the big one is what.
I see.
Show everyone your hoodie.
Oh, she cannot see. Hold on.
Who needs to see?
Oh my god, she's so cold.
Here they are.
We did it. I ended up adding, can you see it better if the lights aren't on? I don't know if you can see, I have like this pom-pom garland on here. What?
You're fine.
And there's Casey, super cute. Your lights are on. Oh, I see. Oh, how cute. So it's really easy and you can customize it however you want to, really.
I want the world to
Hold it. Oh my god, so heavy. Here you go.
That's so cute.
So cute. Now we have to find a place for this one. We already know where this one's gonna go. So yeah.
We'll insert a styled photo here.
Yes. Isn't it pretty?
All right, well, you guys should definitely do this. Send us your pictures.
Yeah.
Like send it on Instagram or something like that. We're more likely
or just
to
tag us in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's easier.
That's great.
Because I know if you make this, you're going to be putting it on Instagram.
Right.
Because
we had some people who did the big one, and it was so fun to see how everyone did it.
Yeah. So
anyway,
if you like this tutorial,
subscribe.
And come back tomorrow and we will have more Christmas fun for you.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.